No? The blessed. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks alive. Oh, yeah, watch. Alright, so for the first year watch, please do subscribe. It's not a forced issue, but it's good if you subscribe. It makes the channel bigger. And subscribe is free. Once you subscribe, you know mean you go pay nothing or nothing. It just identifies, say, you support the team and you want to see it big. So it's like a competition for people try to look on them status and say, oh, may have that amount of subscribers. So please help build the community, make it better. Alright? Give thanks to life. Watch a movie still and tell me how you feel about it. Blessed. Why? Using some now I'm going to try it out.
Like how much?
I don't want like 20 grams per hour.
20 grand.
I really 22 still, but I think I can survive with the 20.
My purse in my room. I go for you and come back.
Alright. Alright, thank God for the good man. Alright. BM Stangs here.
Here, 20,000. Make sure somebody get work. So we are going to do with that now. Alright, do what you have to do. Make sure somebody get back the money, you know.
No problem, no problem.
Alright. So we are going to look about to eat now.
Me? Why, man, I'm not strength now. I feel like when I just buy one patty or so, patty not even full, but I just buy one two.
Tell the patty. Every day patty, so.
So I tell them, I just buy one 2 pack of ramen.
I get tired of it too.
Slack.
So anyways, we are going in a room.
Alright.
Yo.
Yeah. Alright.
How are
They are on the track.
you? Good. You know what I'm saying? The money me I look for borrow from you, do you see? Because I'm broke right now. I'm dead on my face. You see me? So I ask if I can lend me 120 grand till such and such time to me get it back.
20 grand. Boy, let me get up to it, man.
What's 20 grand, man? That's one get it back.
20 grand.
You know, by next week, I make you get it back, man. I tell you. Next week.
Well, money I leave son of my father. Just, you want it in US or Jamaican?
You know US.
Yes. Alright, it's around 15 grand. Money I leave, man.
Take me 5,000 and you chill. Alright, I'm sorry, man, yeah?
Alright, big up yourself, yeah?
Alright. I feel better around too.
Yeah, man, both, man. Alright.
Welcome, girl. Look at me, I don't know. You know, I'm going to want to do. How people reaching their kitchen so fast? I said, people don't know that me, I'm one of our friends. Everybody know your style. So, yeah. Some chicken. Me want them to the grocery or the curry. The girls too, don't want to curry because everybody can cook curry, you know. And I don't want the fat toilet. You see, if you're my friend, but this say, you know. 2 weeks or 3 weeks straight. So,
We can have 2 months.
2 months, that's what I hear.
When I don't call it in our back to this whole season, can you go give me?
chicken season.
Girl.
I'm going to ketchup.
Which part in there?
On the fridge top. Hurry up, now, girl.
Me a phone, girl. You see the house wet up, I can't map it out.
When since me go mop it and then mop it over and over again.
Share them good.
Yeah, that's what all purpose. Me do all purpose I want.
I
want 2 chicken and 1 all purpose kebab.
But I want to say I missing in the back.
Chicken in there, only for season biology. Make it done.
If I want chicken.
Can you never look hard enough?
Because it's a bit
Nice.
nice, good enough.
Be nice. Make sure you not get none enough. I can't tell me that. What is?
You don't have to wash it.
Well, I'm going to talk about that because the food already has yet. When already I can just link the back. Alright, go on, baby. Come on. What will you do that?
Sugar down. Alright, I got that so.
Alright.
I'm Ali. Viper.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, man, that one.
Good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, so I can't hear you, know.
You see how that looks so.
Yeah, so for me, I didn't look so. Even worry about that bad, bro. I go on, you see me differently still, so I can't hear you and I invite you to one party.
Tonight I party.
Tonight I party. Right up at Archers.
Well, me nah do nothing still, so me forward.
Yeah, half forward, I invite. A farm, I come to invite you,
But-
say half forward.
You catch me a good time instead of out there again.
Oh, yeah, right.
Game just there. I go up on the beach.
I'm mad
Yeah, I
saying.
want to coffee to link up as is.
Alright, well, man.
Yeah.
I jump over from the place, though.
We are doing an idea different move otherwise in the party tonight.
You know, say me make some soup, though.
We're sick.
No, I'm not sick and bad, bro. I just make some soup to chung up, isn't it? Alright, so let's look on.
So I look more me short before I left out because me have one movement on my foot. So
Do
me
you
short,
right?
is it?
I link up here, so.
That's it.
Bad.
Babes, what you do? The 20,000 when me give you other day when you lend your friend. You not get it back yet?
That's how I 20 grand over for boy. You know, say as I trap out him, I go link him now. Because today tell me say when I get it.
Alright, go and go link in because I want him back to do some things and all. For you.
Don't worry about that, man. I always not time. I think no link him.
Well, wait for you, alright.
Right, man.
I see hard to find, man. Oh boy. Me like you, so me like you like this, yeah. No style, my friend, them, you know. The one thing me never do. Tell you, say, I'm gonna get a thing, you put in the work, and you go through.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count your money. That may agree plan, right?
But yeah, give me your money.
No, I feel money that. Better feel where you work. I'm telling you, help me do work, you'll get the money. You'll pay money. What that there?
55.
Alright, give me back 5. I'm count wrong.
No, man.
Me not shot myself. No, me not shot myself.
You know that you buy a party, though. Yeah, my bitch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have 11
Alright,
and me have, so you have to get 10 and me get 10. What do you, man? You know, like say,
But any other
me
work,
have bills. Me have bills to pay. Me have enough bills out on the bridge, more enough. The girl them want them money.
Alright, so.
So you good
though? Work. Yeah, man, me
We
good,
pay-
man.
we pay,
Cause
so.
Right now, me go and go on the barber.
Alright. Match up a thing then.
So, any of these so I can show me.
Match out, man. You have no way
there
to
say no. Yeah, so me there now.
Ah, you do a
Is
good
it?
job. Yeah, man.
Remember, you know? Alright.
You do a good job, man.
Alright.
And you're patient and you wait for it, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. That's why they love cost their money.
Ah.
Ah.
Yes, yeah.
Right, free.
Oh, God.
I'm here, go and check.
So, I was up there, one now. That low me not get the food. That low me not get pizza food. There's a way to run.
Yeah,
Man, I
you-
say, rain a fall up so and so.
But that
You
ain't nothing
can't
to
get
do
no
with me,
tax.
dog. When you did link me, I said rain. When you did link me, I didn't tell us rain a fall.
I know that still no, but general. Not aware. Me have one look of 5 grand still can give. You see it? I some of the money this still no. I not tell you no lie.
Brother, when
I
you
not tell you no lie. I some of the money this and then some to take 5 grand. I go call it a union. 5 grand then some to take.
Brother,
So
you
me
not
can
even have
give-
ID, dog.
No, me have ID. So only 5 grand me can give out right now. Only 5 grand. Cause I eat me have money. I'm a dead last me I give because you give me a dead last.
Brother, when I did 20 grand, dog, I never show no bad face and I tell us I'm the last.
No.
And now, I lend 20 grand and you can't give me back 5.
No,
Tell her,
but look at,
No, store me, I say. Me and your friend, you know. But you see, this money, you never wait back money from me. Because a friend can't mix with business. And business money, I know you tell me so you can't only give me back 5 grand.
Listen to
When,
me,
no, hold on, no.
Give me a chance to talk.
Hold
now.
on, no. When we can get it other 15.
When the man fall did the rest.
That's
yeah,
how
other-
That's how it.
I don't know, you know, like I today. Because
Alright.
it's a rain and fall.
Big up yourself, here.
I'm the last money me
Big
give.
up yourself.
Yes, Sister Joyce. Me so candy pan of money, man. And my boyfriend me deal in it. Yes, so I think gonna look both. So me know all up pan, I know. So soon as he come with it, me carry it. Yeah, alright. You get the money?
At this people look for me and I see how much money in my hand, I see how many people in jam money for. Right now, this me want them, so I'm not learning about money. So, you don't have to worry about for yourself. No worry, I get fear money and give you, but it's a lesson for my part, for not letting out money.
Me can't believe that you really gonna give me pan of money. Me not tell you pan of want if you pay.
Yes, sorry.
Me can't believe that you really know. A Sister Joyce just call me, you know, and she want the pan of money. And so what you make me have to do? Go borrow money from my sister and somebody right now.
I'm a general.
Boy, I stress me there, I stress out. What are you going to do?
Well, I'm not forward. I look for you when you're working at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get a piece of contract for the day. I feel your virgin.
Which virgin is that?
Where your virgin that?
I can't have that man know me, I think about Fred.
Freddie. We can't Freddie for a piece of work. And 50,000 we just give me. You may want to eat a food there, you know, because you're good, you know. 50,000 just give me a while ago about that work.
I like
50,000.
I say, boy, with some money, I tell me, say, people sending me job money. I don't say, boy, money, yo.
Cash money, 50,000, I'll be a $5,000.
I'll be at them, say,
New brand.
5,000 can't done.
I thought for the press. Come think that I'll link here, I get drink a juice. Come and end the money, they give me money.
And the boy owe me money, you know. The boy owe me money and tell me, say, you know, the money, say, dead last money with me. The boy owe me 20 grand and here you look for me and give me 5 grand out of 50,000.
50,000 just give me a while ago. That don't know what I think though. And that means when I do just business with him, we will just if I do some work, but me not any money. But one thing we teach him, I teach a lesson my grandmother teach me. You see any money you give, you lend,
Yeah.
consider it as giving. Because if you give your brother $10, so you're lending it, most likely you won't get it back.
Then I must get it back.
Yeah, so you have to know, so you get any money you lend,
Yeah.
we should be a money you can lose. Yeah man, so think about that. So anyway, money going down. You understand? You have free life bigger than that.
I mean, I have a problem when I was playing, so I don't think him and this about you know.
But if not that the case, in charge give you money. Give back money can a loan. A loan is a loan.
I'm going to let him take it matter of fact. And I keep my money, woman partner money, take and give him. So I say, I mean, I'm on there, so. But it's a lesson still.
Yo, you see life is what it is. You know what I mean? Take what you take and you go do what you do. But you could give back a money one time, but...
Oh gosh, man, you're good, man.
For yourself, first of all, you want money, what you go do? You go lend you money.
Why, I like it.
But still, you lend you 15.
But I like 11.
No, you mess around. Daddy, you're a good youth. You're a good youth. So, do the right thing. Anyway, I'm not carry.
Alright.
So I have a little change left now, go pay my bills, I'm about to borrow money from them, clear them. But my life have money out there, I lend. That means one day go come.
Oh, you can't get it back. Alright, big up yourself.
Yo, that's our word, man.
Alright, hold it for yourself. Oh, you back. Babes,
Yes.
you don't have to borrow no money from your sister. From Bridget just send me her money, so we have a 20 grand.
Give me it now. Thank you.
No problem. I'm sorry about that.
Next time, don't lend out me money and don't make sure say now.
Next time, you can't get $1 from me. If you're hungry and not dead enough, go and so no matter you want to chat about.
If you know who you lend the money to here.
God, no.
Alright.
Alright.
Good day.
Good day.
And Slim,
You want to kind of sit down?
I get Slim and cool up, bro.
You want to kind of hot, very bad.
Oh, man, I can't think. You can't look fancy. I can't say. My boy, hey.
Yes, you borrow money from a man.
No, alright. Let me tell you a story. You see a man, he have a woman on the side. And I catch him with the woman. And he said, don't want me to tell you nothing. Then he asked me anything, he will do anything. So I just say, alright, give me a 20 grand. They say me come they broke. And I say, give me a 20 grand. So he give me a 20 grand, and so come now, he come back for money. Like, you can get the money from and he come back for money. Say, you want the money till such and such time. You give me back, and you give me more money. You understand? So you have a girl on his side.
Oh, so that's the reason why he come to me for 20 grand.
Yes. You never realize he come to your sudden feet. You understand?
I think I'll lend it.
He not letting me man.
So you can't touch me up so hard?
No man, I'm just touch you. You can't touch you.
Man, I don't take my clothes.
No, don't take my hair up on you. Yes sir. You're good too.
You can't believe say really take my money just to give you for no talk.
That's to show you say I'm here for David. I'm here the right man. I lay here, I can be here anytime you want.
So you have to know.
Means I'm October I'm born, means I'm on a
So you
work,
have
I'm
to
on a girl.
know.
Anything you say, at that me I go do.
Every man there realize what they're doing.
No, I'm born October. If me say me I go there so me I go. Understand? At that me I will do man, you take care.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm very, very sure. I'm here if you come in, come
Right.
in.
Like when I day I go for my bag.
Yeah man, go for your bag and come with me right now.
In the day I know so me get them back. The next day I come back and come see me. You ready?
Yeah man, ready man.
Alright. So you're going to carry bag with you?
Yeah, carry man, already. Come on.
You come back here.
Yeah.
Come on. Babes, wake up man. What's up? Get up now?
Man. Are you turning on the fan?
Yes, get up.
What?
I'm hungry.
Okay.
What's up?
I'm sleeping full now.
Me say me hungry.
I have to eat.
Buy anything long as my belly go full.
Alright, so now buy 6 egg bread, 1 big jug of orange juice. And that
You can buy that, yes, but you promise me say you go do me here. I'm there a couple days now. Me there for. I know me here though.
you know, so there will be a difficult dry money, you know. But it's true, this close to dry money. But as I go in there, the machine start malfunction. I have to come back out. And so I'm waiting in line again. And then the machine run out of money. So I don't know if I bad luck or what. But you see tomorrow.
No touch me, cause every day you tell me you see him something.
Tomorrow I'm gonna do it.
You know why you know? Make him just make it tanya, man. Make it tanya.
Never do it.
Me get money
Remember
and do
said,
my own here because every day you tell me you see him something. That the money they will never jar. Look for me here. I say you want a woman tan?
Never dry money.
No, yes sir. It's good, man. Don't touch me. It's good. Don't touch
Alright,
me.
yeah, no. I promise you. Now go up on the road now, get the egg and everything, send it on a bike, and make sure, say, I keep pint and I do it to make sure say I dry money to them. I promise
Say
you.
you say, like always.
I go do it, man, because I don't feel link on my birthday. I'll give my money. Yeah?
Me here.
You better go on, some man.
Go on, man. Go on.
Sure. You tell us I'm never be it already.
Oh God. Sweep out the place I have before you come back. I'll take you more while. If you can see this as a yellow wood. So you will buy one papali fan. So one.
Yo, Fred. Yo. Fred. Girl, where do I have sleep?
What?
Where I sleep over here from?
So you are over here.
You know me, I know over here. So I just tell you, I left me for a friend.
Let me tell you this.
No, nobody tell me no. You know what
You
I'm
think-
saying?
what?
I see it now.
You think me don't know all your secret them?
Yeah, sure.
Me know everything what you do.
What me do?
You pay your friend if you don't talk on you.
Talk for me with what?
Don't worry yourself, you know.
No, we are chat boy, you see?
You talk about how be loyal and me did be loyal to you. And you did the road that they with woman and this and that. You me attack. You. Why you take the money and pay your friend if you not talk?
Friend me pay if you not talk.
Don't worry yourself. You see your friend you come to check. You see your friend me there with right now. Him see him one.
Brother, if me did that woman would need to pay my friend for chat if I did my friend. But some
Don't worry.
Some
Look
you
here,
know say you got
look
together
here.
now. Cause you just did well one let me forget to my friend. If friend was
And
saying
you cause it, you know. You cause it, you know. You cause it.
Yeah, next one to you know. Yeah,
Me hear everything. Explain everything to you.
Everything that is.
Everything.
Wait, go on.
What
Go
go
on
on?
inside.
Brother,
Let me see.
it's a friend like you that.
Go on here, yeah. That doesn't fit. Go on here, yeah, brother.
Alright.
Ah, you two, yeah, not you and them. You know, say the well one let me forget one of my friend them you know.
Are you cause it? You cause it by yourself.
You see, as I've told you too, you see friendship with me I did have. Just forget that, cause done. You hear me I tell you. I see money where owe me, I come back for. And it's a serious problem.
Yeah, you're not gone yet.
Brother.
And the girl.
You see same thing where do me? I same thing. Like that. You see same thing where do me? I same thing me at your back. So go on. Go on away. Go on.
I make up people now.
Right.
You place you.
You're lucky.
Yo.
We should have cheap pie a long time. We should have cheap pie a long time.
One yard. See if I lick moody, I blood up here and send it on another.
One yard.
Yeah, no shame.
Over here. They hear me I tell you.
Oh, let me see for me. Excuse me.
Go on here, Daddy.
Yo, I come back for money now.
You're lucky.
When you come over here and buy my first?
No, you go look for.
Where me look for
You ain't gonna look from. The young my friend.
Me and my friend.
Lucky.
So you say I go on my general.
Remember that I said man they will give 50,000 for one money.
That a Fred man of your boy man.
No man, I know my boy again. You know what I said the boy, from when me hear woman a shop boy, that's how he said one of my David. He must say me PM for chat and woman is so from the way I see it, it look like he tell a lie to the girl. But the girl a idiot too, and shouldn't believe him. Cause if I'm my friend, how for pay my friend to keep secret? That makes sense there. I'm not my friend that. I know that from the start.
What really go and do? Come and notice some more day when I see a woman up here, you know, come link you, when I see her, we never ask her, we never get involved in it. Wait, she gone for real. We think her family had she gone. But she gone for real.
Yeah man, him gone man. Right now to all as much as me care, him can go help for all I care. Cause right now, you are the other girl, believe me fire. And right now, that I said Fred there, Fred tell a lie to the girl and say about me borrow money and I owe the woman, so I didn't give him money for the chat. And
So when I show up on the phone, I tell me say go over Fred a while ago. Go Fred ago a while ago.
Over them I come from. But you know, as I go over the call Fred, I see a girl I sweep up place. So right there somebody just get cross. Cause I figure out say I left me for Fred. You know if a Fred tell him sitting there, it sound like a dad from over here, our girl just my head just tip and he decides he want to spite me and left one of my friend. For why I don't know. But one a wicked and friend, so we tell him about friend now good so if I believe me. Right now, everywhere inside of me just hurt and burn me. If I could do some evilness, I would do it, but
That not to be worth it.
not worth it, no not.
You understand what I say? But you know, where many doors are closed, one and two windows open. You're a virgin, right?
Right.
You give me back my money one day, so that will give you a plus.
That for sure, yeah.
Yeah, man, so you're really old. What's up going on now, daddy? Me have a link with Girl City. We park girl there everywhere at the city there. I can't make one phone call now and get a decent girl, a loyal one.
So right now.
Right now, so we're going to go on. We're going to make a call.
I do that then fine.
Yeah, man, and by tomorrow,
Mm-hmm.
you have a girl there.
Alright.
One thing you do, treat her good.
That ain't no problem, man.
One thing. No beat her.
No, never. No beating, no eating.
And no eat her.
Never.
Alright. Just give her money and make them just for your work. Give her a little money, make she alright.
Yeah, man.
Carry her go shopping, because that really go sweet.
They look nice things. Yeah,
Them
man,
love
of
them,
course,
so
of
woman love them.
course.
Because carry her out for dinner date. Dinner date. And you keep communication too.
That I keep.
Put her first. Get her youth for her too. Them last longer.
Boy, then can't let friend get the youth now.
Alright.
So you go for it.
Yeah, man, so do it, man. So don't worry about Fred and when take and when go on with. She never loyal enough. Because if Fred come tell her stories, so she should give you the chance, really. Defend herself. You know what I mean?
My friend, me go over there go see them. But
Yeah, man.
that difference though.
That don't pass and gone, man. So I say, I make a link, a Girl City.
Right.
To get a girl for you. Right now, the same people them, when we get the work from, bigger project.
The project of ours.
Yeah. So,
Yeah, so
as
that's
soon
the
as the
part
link drop,
Yeah, man.
we go make you know about it. And not for now, you know. So I tell you, say, you go have a piece of food.
Alright, me there.
So
active
when
then,
you
man.
make your money, spend it wisely, save some, put some in our account, because the real money, because what we do at the other and test run, for show them so we can do it. So now them are come with the world of work. So we do it and show them. So, you know, say I go do it, you go work. Anyway.
For right now, we are good at my real restaurant because you must say, all of them know that man there and him never sit down and all them it say it.
Yeah, like I said, in the earth, you know, you go find yin, you go find yang, you go find pretend. You know what I mean? So,
Real.
we cannot be confused. And you see anything we go on in life, we don't have no regrets. Because each of them things is what really make us stronger. So, if you have a friend where teach you a lesson, you can call that an educational friend. You can teach a lesson.
You have to pay for learning.
Pay for learn. You know what I mean? So, a reality of life itself. So, all you have to do now is make the next step better. So, now, me get a girl and now, you know. Because one day me have for myself, you know.
Yeah.
Girl never cheat on the day she born it. You know.
Never,
Me never
never.
see it or hear about it yet. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If somebody tells me she a cheat, I say lie.
Yeah, that's why you have to trust them, man. I know.
We try her, we test her out. Enough time.
And they always pass.
And
the
she
test.
always pass the test there.
And that me alone.
And a bright girl too. And a fool. You alright? So,
you lick your jackpot, man.
yeah man, so anyway. And she was strong, that she make a link to, you know. Same girl make a link.
Wow, it's a good work, man.
Alright, so know yourself.
Alright.
So we just compare just make you know what I go on still, you know?
Alright.
So no say a word though.
Alright.
Alright.
Come give me a hug. Give me a wonderful Come here. Give me a hug.
No,
No. Yeah, I'm so hard. Oh, that. Oh, that. Oi. You can come in. Come in here. Girl, me there have nice time with boyfriend and a place. Yeah, they here.
Please, no, I can't talk to my boyfriend on the phone. He over there want to kill me. Can I say if I know something do sit now? No, me no know what me do. Come on.
You're coming up to my boyfriend. You're
Hello.
coming to chat to other man on phone, girl.
Hello, you can come please talk to my boyfriend for me. Please come. Me don't know why my being so. He nearly killed me over there look a while.
So she
No, because she's my best friend, so in more life you believe her, because everything me do, she know. She know everything about me, and she sit and know, so me nah do nothing.
You say, come if I ruin the moment.
Just come here, please.
But so come here.
Yeah.
Me not stay long. You need to fix it. No.
Here we go.
Someone say I'm beat you.
No, you have to kill me, can you say me in here, say me this somewhere.
Hello? How are you really going over there? You don't know who you talk to? No, she best friend. Me hear say how to kill the girl over there, Bridget. You can't do that. A woman, you know? Man have to put hand for a woman. Yeah, so what you say? Nothing like that. Nothing like that, man. Me did nothing happen. I really feel like saying, me gonna make my best friend cheat on you. Me nah do that, Virgin. Don't do that. Brother, me nah do that. As much as I'm my best friend, me nah make she hurt you, see me? Alright then. But if she come back over there, I don't want you to hurt her or do her anything because you know that go. Alright. See you? And make it sound like say man nobody I kill you. Like if you got nice papa you mash it and then stuck it. You gotta don't do it.
Hello, you take up stone and run after me run the whole house. If you run, come out. You see a barefoot me come over here.
But the man love you now go lick you.
What you mean why?
You just take up if he's scary now go lick you.
Oh, come here, go. Me I idiot. Me idiot. Me I turn up on the stone.
Look how you big and thick you must can't take click.
You don't see him? You don't see him? I don't know him.
Here. Come go over because I tell you if you not put your hand high. In there no.
Me I go linga till night me squeeze
Oh,
it in.
linga meet him on the road. So you stay there. And it's a worse upon you. Makes sense you're going over, girl.
You good yeah?
Me good. When time little killer now come back and me I go intervene. I go interrupt and tell me say this that and rare and blah blah. Me I come go in here so.
Oh, so you think it's your skill, right?
What you mean if me think say me
So,
skill just stop?
So you come out, your friend come over here. You go make you pick up fear and I talk to him from
Me no pick up fear.
Listen, me I say your friend come over here and you talk to him. But yeah man, I mean I already there one place. That's a whole heap of time. You say you go places and you give your friend a phone. You say, yeah man, me and already one place. So that's a more they left you. And the money you there and your friend a pick up for you. Cause you a pick up for your friend.
Me not pick up for you the time me and I did the same place and I know where you chat about.
Listen.
And no, me talk because you
Me hear your
talking
friend out there so I tell you if you tell him say you and him the said place. So don't
but she
try.
never have to tell me that because eventually that me they'll tell the man.
And that happened.
See mind game I wanna play.
Which
but
man
one
game?
thing
You
from the
cannot
lesson,
mix me and my friend together. You cannot do that.
show me a friend, I'm gonna tell you who you are. But anyway,
Show me your friend, I'm gonna tell you who you are.
I did have a good time, so I don't want that for mash up.
It already mash up already. Can you come and tell lie palm me? Me don't like that.
Well,
Me do not like that.
cannot leave a place then.
Leave me place.
Just go cool out.
Oh, so you really I do things though. Go on,
Just go
Go
cool
on.
out. Me dey out
You
on the
keep
veranda.
first thing you can't tell me say I'm running from a place.
Me dey
You
out
see
on the
me?
veranda.
Do what you do. I not run nobody. If I want to leave, you leave. If I don't want to leave, you stay. Up to you.
Come here. Come here, do as a girl.
What's what me away from you?
Girl, come here. Oh, wow.
I have something to tell you. Boy, you're a friend on your road.
Which one?
And I Brittany.
Oh.
And that day the girl run come over me yard and knock down my door. Come see me and my man over there live. I laugh and I chat and I go along with herself. Come run come over there tell me say, me if you talk to her boyfriend because her boyfriend I look for her to beat her up.
Yeah.
Say she go sleep out with man and now her boyfriend out to kill her up there. Me have to see every minute. And me have to take her phone and talk to her boyfriend and make her boyfriend know. I lie me I'll tell. So she did that with me there and she never did with me there. She did gone with man. Right now, I don't know how you apart with them, the girl. Because right now, I'm telling you, you have one 5 man. You have one named Andrew. The man down here, there's some Paul. One youth, you don't know if you know one youth upside another lane, open one lane near Harry. You might that the boy, they are linked. And then Kevin now, you see Kevin and Kevin he go sleep out with the night and the man will kill him down there.
So I'm not hear about that.
Oh, you go here and she tell me if you don't tell nobody. I just, hey, you never call about me and say, me say, you know, you never hear this from me.
No, girl.
Me never say nothing.
No, girl.
Right now, I don't even know if man is not good right now. Because man want to kill him down there. Big stone girl that tell me, man, run him down around the house with big stone. Girl, right now, I want to look sitting there wait for somebody.
Thank you, this silver still.
Yeah, I could have, you know, some men are friends, so I could have made nothing really happen to her. So, I'm there for, you know. But how you go?
Now go for it, that's all.
Alright, we'll see you next time.
Alright.
Yeah, back to you now. I wish me to say happy to you.
Yes, girl. Me just a come from me out of my yard. And me see Ali turn up and me can't say my weapon. Somebody. The girl jam one side and I tell me pay things, you know, about you and I chat about how you run come over in yard. About how your man mad to beat him.
Beat me?
Yeah, girl. Mad to beat you. How you sleep out and one bag of something.
What else? No, there's something where you hide. Just talk.
You say my fit tell lie for your man not kill you.
What kind of lie she tell for me?
You say you're gonna sleep out with man you run from over here that tell him to beg for you. Say are you in there with him?
Thanks to tell me here. Thank you very much for telling me. See that the girl left? She a liar.
You don't know what kind of friend you are keeping.
Look here, as she come over my yard, come tell me all them story. They make me man there have good time. A ramp, palm bed, she bought Gina knock door. I beat down my door. I'm tell her to come in. The girl come in my room and I tell me one because my man even vex with me.
So why girl has switch your argument then for?
Because she not good. I mean I have things over here. Thank you for telling me as me said before. Thank you very much. What the fuck? Yeah, go so yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright. Yo! What me hear say I call up my name say? Eh? When I call up my name say? Who call up your name? When I call up my name?
Chanel come over me here and tell me, say, you a switch round story and I chat about my man over here beat me and what, but I see run round house with a rock stone. How
Look here, Brittany.
Girl,
First thing first, if you
Girl.
can't ask me, you know if you come quarrel.
me fi come ask
You
you.
know, listen me now.
Me now ask you 'cause the said exact word come out of the girl mouth. The said exact
You know,
words.
you talk.
Yes, space it talk for what?
Oh, so you know I hear my side of the story.
Chat.
You know
Chat.
what I'm saying? In the same period of time, when my man over there want to beat me, I shouldn't like first, somebody me tell. But me couldn't make Chanel convince my boyfriend say, I mean, and she didn't know it because she not little pitney. You know, me no power with little pitney.
So me ask you a question. Why Chanel would have come over my yard and tell me then the type of lie there and that's which one story upon me? After me there me yard, I had romantic time with my man. We have good time. I come over there come mash you up. They make my man even vex with me, girl. Like this I really do. This I really do. Me not
You let me talk or what?
Then chat
You let me talk or what?
Chat then never raise a voice.
You know say Chanel want a little pitney when mix up. She will come to me and tell me say, your man where you there with now a fear man and you take a fear man. And me just say nothing like that.
You take a fear man.
And that she said to me and said to me.
Talk it.
So you take fear man. She tell me say man over the yard right now a fear man.
You see, just because me can't
That
be
she
mix
said
up and blend. Me I go breeze my man right now. And you see the friendship I did have, check cut it right here. So me can't be so we come from so far. How much years, girl, like this I really do to me?
You
Me
are
the whole relationship and me fix a problem
you
then.
know you look
Me tell lie for you. Me tell lie for you.
Girl, give me
say
some
you
and me chat.
Immortal man we have, girl, I'm gonna pick up.
Come out and play.
Come out of your place.
Come out and play.
Baby girl, you're not run me because I adapt me
If you
down.
come over here, come on.
Adapt me down. Don't wanna call me. Don't wanna call.
Come on to the place, girl. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on to the place. Sure. Come over here, I put myself make a gap. Sure.
Yeah. Radil. Why is it sad for me other day? For other day, you're sitting on a friend again or what? What kind of friendship you have? What kind of broke up?
I want the incident take place, but me didn't even know about myself. Because she claimed to say me a call up her name my road.
Let me tell you one thing, man. You see a friend that stick together is a friendship that will last forever. Right? Someone say something to you now. It's always good when friend and friend have them disagreement, you know what I mean? It make the friendship 10 times stronger.
Yeah, but me and her come from far and...
Yes, you can't actually do the friendship because of that. What you gonna do? You go over there and apologize to her.
But me never do nothing wrong.
Leave me know. It takes two to make a quarrel. And if you're not there quarrel, let me say two, and I may say somebody fling one cup and you catch it and fling it back. You move like your nanny. Because when they shoot nanny with the gun, she should catch the bullet and she fire it back. You don't know history. When you know history.
And that's the problem. She nothing like that now. Why? Me only push her out and she took up.
So what the argument about? What the argument for? Really?
Remember the thing where it take place and
You know you're born out.
with me and you.
With what?
When time I go there, she called the man and me tell
Oh.
her yes. So it's like
When
somebody-
me say sleep out,
Yes.
and she say you're not in the same place.
Yes.
Because we just there lose respect for you and say, boy, really, because if I get from Girl City, you never show me no sign of giving me any hand or any
Me
bone
never
or
go out with
cheating.
nothing.
Right?
But then you
So
always ask
the
me.
time when you sleep out now, I get a dream, I wake up at that dream and say, not my girl from Girl City. Never. I say it could never be you. So I tell the dream, say a lie. The dream you're
But you
a
still
lie.
want to
So
check
same about me true, you never did that, you never sleep that night now. Me call, I'm gonna get upset, I'm really the one. Not really fist you. No, I'm not lick you, but I want to fist you like in your knee and your giants then to make you feel like a pain, you know, just feel angry, just to get some stress out. But me just calm down and you realize when your friend tell me say I told you one place, but calm down, the pressure go back down to normal. So that's good. You know what I mean? So
Whether that somebody go tell her say me and me say fair man over there.
But you go to your friend and tell a friend say you apologize or no hug up and make up and be friends same way. You know what I mean? Do that. Me go chat to neighbor. So me not follow you. Go and go do your dome. Me go chat to neighbor.
And then my neighbor.
No. I the neighbor where come. I want woman, but I want girl. She not really a big woman. You can hear her talk. She love chat. So you know some love chat my time. Because I have things.
Yeah, but
so my time is stress, but you know. I know if I'm one day will lock shop and I'm not give no sex. When I come back, I'll give you sex, right?
so you say,
Come on.
you go on.
We go on. What that mean?
No one.
We go on and go on. Go on and go on to my neighbor. Neighbor be a battery right there neighbor here. Because she come from Girl City too. I didn't know them.
Why you look so?
Just stay normal, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm smart, I'm just humble. Not too much talking. Put on your phone, man.
At 6:36, I'm no, I'm going to go to my mother, remember?
Where you go to your mother go do?
Remember, I tell you already, so I go to my mother about something. I go look for my mother.
If you're not say time late now, you can't go tomorrow morning.
No, my mother want, she said she wants to see me today. May I come back?
How long you take?
Maybe 2 hours, so I'm not sure.
Alright then.
Alright then, so when I reach my car here,
But I thought about that, is the one to reach your call me. Go on.
what do you mean by
Go on.
it is around me, so everything alright.
Are you your friend now go?
Yeah, alone.
Oh.
Brittany,
She's not there here, huh?
Brittany.
She's not there here. She's gone from the road to come back.
Oh, she on for the road?
Yeah.
When she come back?
I'm not sure. She said maybe next 2 hours.
Oh. Well, they come over here if you talk to her still.
Oh, yeah, do you wait on her?
Yeah, I wait on her. I want to talk to her. So my bed pull up, so I want to do that.
No. Yeah, just the day I lie down, just relax on something. I don't know.
We can pull up more, you know. I want to pull up more. Pull up a bit more.
No, something like that, one friend.
That one like a perfect. Because nobody not perfect. Because I know you do things out there.
So you have the things too?
And me do things. I look like you. And my body may use the how me want.
Alright, so we'll do something then.
Yeah, but yeah, before she come back, I said to her. I'm going to come over there next time. Let me go back first.
Where are you, lady?
There, I'll go for mother, you know.
You not see your friend?
Oh,
You
Alia?
send your Alia over there come link you because you're not fit talk. She gone over there right now.
No.
Yeah man, right now. She over your yard right now.
Alright then, me hurry up and go over there then.
You can show over there wait for you by now.
Alright then.
Ah.
Boy, I say why I'm on a fair call. Other day. I have something good that's there.
So you can fix the pose, yeah?
Tired me out.
So I figure. I just can't take a nap before your man come. I'm tired.
Oh, and this a boy in your son a show.
I don't know what I'm going. I rape she rape me.
Don't think yet. Let me.
I rape she rape me. I rape she rape me.
Hurry up. Are you on the sheet with girl? Are you on the sheet with girl? Hurry up, hurry up, and not show. Let me go. Let me go. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, but you're on the sheet with her, not true. Hurry up. Hurry up, yo. Boy, hurry up with me here. Hey, what a good thing. What a good me to go for the sheet with a sex pan. You see that the girl there? Hey, she not even live long. Remember me tell her that. The girl there not live long. Come go in the bathroom. Hi. Hi. You know, say, girl, we can't keep Malice for too long, right? But just come over here, apologize for everything that take place, and want to say to yourself, break up with the youth because if indeed I want a real man, when you want to do that to me. You see? So, I just want to know if we can go back into the friendship because I really miss you. Of course, we think I didn't know one day I miss girl come here. You know, yeah, cook.
Man just come back from there asking me a cook. You know what I mean, so?
We come from a rich
Bro,
Jamaican.
she give me a cook, man.
Every
And
day,
white
sir.
rice. Because I hate the money me and they love, so I get myself.
Well,
Me like the fact that what take place, you know, go to him or say nothing about him because I just text me there to say boyfriend car. You come over the you know.
first thing, because there's something there. I don't want to bring no arguments or anything between us, but if I tell you that it's my boyfriend, first thing you want to know, bed down with him. You want to run. First, you want to run.
Girl, me there stop. You have to understand.
You did a stop.
Come on, man.
Man, stop. But guess what, girl? I have something to tell you for my bingo. $1 million. Alright. You feel like a joke, man? Like,
So you're rich now?
look here, $1 million is not richness.
No,
but
girl,
I
you
have
see-
money. I'm talking no money. The way how me not trust bank, me not give bank my money. My money, I might put on right, you know.
This
So
part
if you want money to spend, just take out money and spend like that, my
This part I
girl.
have to done.
So I'm going to tell you which part of me and put it down for. I don't want to say they are me,
I
yeah.
have best friends. Me tell her if I me get money, me gonna tell her exactly where me put it.
Me know what the
Alright,
point
no.
is. Remember, so once me did trust you, or you break me trust, but me not say me not gonna trust you again, no. But it don't take a while for me trust you.
But suppose you drop down the road or something and me want a little money for care, that's how me go get it.
Or the money when me get well, make it back to somebody the money.
Oh, my grandpa, you say like give me no tight?
You can't. Me see what me can do.
No, yeah, good girl.
Alright, come over, sit down.
Yes, that's all good.
Brittany,
Good.
she not push the door.
Walk on.
You don't know, dude.
It seems like you're the girl a friend.
Well, yeah. Well, the two make up back things, long and talk, and she rang now one way, and no, no, say me rang now one way, because you know see what me do.
Girl,
Hold on, just say something.
girl, that don't make no sense. The girl take your man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sex off a man come in your house and sex off a man, girl. You really gonna be back friend with the girl?
I know, but people need second chance.
You
But they
think-
don't understand.
You think I want good idea?
You feel
Go betray her again, girl. That
you
no
can't.
good.
You cannot just say that. You can't just say that she a good do it because
Girl, just look one do to your girl.
people need second chance. If I
I
didn't
know,
need,
I know.
if I look here, she tell me say she make a mistake, right? She if you tell me say, I remember her slow and talk about things. She tell me say, if she did know, she tell me say she gonna run a test for my boyfriend, and me just say. Me just work with what she has say because I'm a friend for a long time. I'm not gonna make a boy come between two of we. As much as me know say she hurt me a lot, which me forgive her. I'm not gonna give her the trust I did have for her at first.
That is no test, girl. You run with your man. You refriend she, and you can't refriend your man. Why?
Reason being because
At first, the relationship between the two of it is complicated because he keep on accusing about stuff. Like a time when the set time they tell us the girl come over here and she said man this and that, he might accuse me and I try to say men are the same thing. Which if I don't know something, we don't talk about it that way. You see me? Yes, so we kind of already lose it and something big come up now, so I just drop it.
Girl, I'm my friend, me no want nothing to you.
Who that? Hold on now. Good night. Sit down there, Simon. You could sit down over here, so. We didn't drink the juice, so come here, so.
No, I'm like sitting like.
Anyway, what may I try to say? I want a big mission for you go on tomorrow night. You know, for my friend, though, I always a power, though. But I want to live over this, so they live with the shop. Yeah, girl have a whole heap of money over there, you know, $1 million. So what me I want you to do, I want you to go to rob her. I'm not busy if you want to rob all our money, you know. One thing me want to know, me get my cut, me want my cut out of that. If I want to kill him, I kill him. If I want to beat him, I beat him. Me no busy about that part, they understand? I just the money me care about right now. And I want it for money she want. She not trust bank, you know. So she go hide the money somewhere in her house. So what if you do? She not do it tonight, so she can't do it tonight. She gone pound one day to go on your boyfriend. Yeah, tomorrow night. So what if you do now, if you go over there, well her, look for money. Just go there and do it as one Peter man. I want to get a lovely Peter. Anytime you hear Peter, keep skin crawling, jump up, go a long time.
Peter.
Yeah. Whatever. Me not busy where I want him. Anytime you hear, just go there and say, deliver man, Peter man. And you will see how quick you jump up and open the door, you see me? And just go in and get my money. Me not busy how much you want it, but me get half of that, you see me? Once me get half, me good. Understand? So deal with that for me tomorrow night.
Alright, just call me.
No, why you feel calm when the mission done? And let me know if you come pick up for
Can
the
you
phone.
call me when you go on the mission what time?
Me tell you tomorrow night, wait till like half an 9 and then they lock in. You understand? So just...
Alright, me call me.
Come on, have a nice time.
Okay, do it.
You weak man.
Alright.
Who that?
Pizza man.
I'm not order no pizza.
No, man. Sit down there, sir.
So you here?
Alia, send me for a blow.
Aliyah, look here, first thing. Back up please, back up. Look here. You really, I'm gonna see this a nice body and kill it, right? It makes sense we do some romantic stuff first before you kill me.
Come to kill you.
Just calm down, I'll show you something. You see the baby earlier? A long time I don't use it. You see this here? Long time I don't use it. So it makes sense to just put on that.
Yes,
Me even have moves can give you. And you know?
Since the money plus sex.
Yeah. And then it's not go on ways. Just put on the gun, man. And come. And come. Put on the gun, man.
Wait, no.
Yo, you know who you the ramp with? Brother. And wrong girl this. And wrong girl this you ramp with. Let me see your face. Huh. Oh, come here. You see if you not tell me a who, Senor? No, tapping eyes. Give me your hand then. If you ever move, try know me I go there, here. Where you the move I go? Where they go? Hold your hand them. Ramp with boy. What the other hand? Hold it. Why what the other hand no man? Ramp with me no man. Real bad girl you deal with. Yo, get up. Get up. Good as so. Lay down. I mean, need to confess at home. I'm a shot, eh, boy. Yo. Please, I did nothing. Who's gonna fi come kill me? Who's gonna fi come kill me? Either your life or you have a chat. Which one? Who's gonna fi come kill me? Shout out to your mouth, Lord!
Alias, if you come kill you.
When they come in, you never come in on a baby voice, no boy, chat, Lord!
Alias, if you come kill you.
Boy, chat, no man! Chat, Lord, me say!
Alias, if you come kill you and take your money.
Your mouth a virgin? Boy, chat, Lord!
I tell you already, Alias said if you come kill you.
Alright, thank you. You? See, are you Alia? Uno, I'll go down in a hole.
No, I'm not supporting them. I say move up and down, you know. But you good though. Alright, later I get some crimson, some credit, man. Alright, bless myself, man. Alright. Yeah, differently, which one I call you now, you know. I know say I want a stubborn girl because you're dead in brethren. I know you're gonna live with a friend. You know what I mean? You jump from one man to the next man to them a friend. You know look good. You know just right. You know what I mean? But I go tell you a story. Nothing where Fred tell you not true, you know. You believe in a Fred?
Yeah man, me believe in a Fred. I'm an honest youth, so I have to believe in him.
Well, if you say honest, that means you don't know nothing. You never did alarm. You never did look. But anyway, I'm not informer, but my life to clarify things because when I want to take a best friend, woman, is a bad move that. So what I'm going to do now, you go come forward, I will go good on a Fred yard. I hide in one corner, I'm going to question Fred. I go here say, what Fred do? Forget you. Because you can't tell no true story. Because you have to tell us some look at Gina Chip and something. Right? The brother went depressed, you know. But Marley, me get a girl game saying good and now. But you have to know what you do. But anyway, you know for a long talking. Come on. Come on. What go on, General?
There, man, it depends.
Yeah, they are all the tough, man. Those are them people they call, but then they're not coming for now still. But some go on, but that's why you go.
Yeah.
Yo, me link for your boy over there. I'm going to tell you to go with the woman. I say you're sharp, man. You're going with the woman clean.
Me?
Yeah, man, he's soft, you know.
I
long me things and soft.
really mean carry arrest still, you know. And she rate me, but me never know.
He say we borrow some money from him, but Marley say borrow some money from me to keep him back to no time.
Me?
You never borrow money from Marley?
I don't really borrow him, just ask him for money and he said, you want to lend me?
But him and say, boy, you don't give him back to my money, daddy. But if I
Give him back 5 grand.
4 times 20. Oh, you'll be able
Today I paid him.
for something different.
Yeah,
Oh.
so we give him 5 grand.
Well, I swear go still. But anyway, we are line up the work doing.
That's what I'm telling you.
Don't tell him say, yeah, man, a friend again, man. Because I take away a woman plus you know, pay back him money so you have the friendship done. Because he may have to pay you. So I'm come find myself. You see it? So you're not leading them. Because you're bait, you're a good friend. And this and that. So anyway, that and that. So anyway, I'm not come to stay now.
Yeah.
So
But you know, say, you can't talk to him from different though. I trick my chicken woman, you see me? Get her to come over here and live, because I tell her stay. You have a woman on the side. And then they give me a 20,000 for the talk, is it?
But that's a lie money where you borrow from him, you just use against him.
Yeah, that I do.
But I'm not too involved in a phone
I
thing
told me
though.
they pay down for the thing and they want to spend the money.
No, that is. But no matter about phone or business boy. You work a line up, I'm going to pay you.
Alright, me there.
I'm going to pay you though.
Alright.
Alright? Yeah. You see it though. You give away the good man and take up the worst man. Right? But I don't know, done gone bad. Because Marley have a new woman now. So, you get, I don't know. You never prepare for this or what, but are we really living now? People so my time everything inside truth. But you don't mash up your life right now that, but next time do learn. Don't make nobody come tell you, make you jump with your relationship. When them want to pull you, they will tell a story. But anyway, you live, you learn. Just another day, just another lesson to learn. So anyway, bless yourself, but the truth come to your eyes because you did things say the Marley tell a lie and have one. That time I get on the man out. You understand? But anyway, that, this or this. You know what I mean? Yeah man, later, enjoy your life though. You understand?
Babes. What?
They're good.
Good man.
Yeah,
You sit down.
yeah, but they're cool out. I'm just doing some tea.
Alright, I'm going to the room. Yeah.
So I'm coming to start your stay there. Go and go relax. Soon come to you.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh. Alright, I can forward now. Babe. Yeah man, I'm forward. Just I go tell my woman say me I go and come. Alright. Yeah.
Yeah.
Come here. On the road me I go. I know. I go pick up somebody else.
It's not going to take long.
You know, soon come back man. Alright. Alright, so what you have?
I don't know, but things in the kitchen.
Alright, me pick up something and come back. Yeah?
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
You just have to come reach work.
Good.
Yeah, man.
Alright, you know. So the boxer, I'm gonna put it down and somebody give me it. The boxer has some real money in it. You understand? Pay US. But here, somebody give me for keep it because I don't want to go trouble, you see me? So,
Oh, that's
I'll
good, man.
keep
You're not
it
trouble it.
right under the bed. I'll keep it, you understand?
Mm-hmm.
So, you're not trouble it, yeah?
That's good, man.
Yeah, that's what I see that man soon. So, now go in the bathroom, eh?
Yeah, fine.
Alright, sticking the hot.
Babes,
Ah,
come here.
oh, Father God.
You can wash something with me?
Where you get money from?
They see the money I give me for her and you have this.
Oh, you there see me?
Yeah, more.
Yeah.
No, but I want to shop them there. You could have made it. You could shop them too dear.
Alright.
More £2 £2 mixed parts, £2 rice, 1 curry, 2 all purpose. That's
Not
all.
Irish, huh?
Me have Irish and something already.
Alright. Him
Go
to
while we
my
shopping
brother.
on go out, go down in town. Yeah.
Oh, my God, do the shop and say the same thing?
You too dear and you meet them spoil at the little shop, so you have to go down in town and go buy.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Take your time.
Yeah. Korean, what?
Nice one if you take the box, man. We can get over it. Look, this will come back. Yeah, come on.
Yep. You get 3, 4 nights there. Yep. Yep. Jesus Christ. Oh, the box gone. The box did this. Jesus. God, they killing me now. Jesus Christ. Outside. Oops. So, oh, she forgot. Oh God, people them gonna kill me for she can't have the box. God, she no answer. Oh God, please make she answer, please, please, please. Jesus, God, man. I'm sure no, you know, man. What me ever do now? Oh.
Yeah, thanks a lot for you. Alright. You alright?
Oh, you cook today?
Will you some chicken back in there? I don't know if you want chicken back today.
Yeah, I can curry some. It's all ackee. I can still the pantry.
Oh, yes, it's true. I guess you have it.
Yeah, you know what I say.
Going.
I'm going. Evening.
Yeah, we'll leave a nurse coming from here and do.
I don't even know if it starts from me now.
You cannot start by
What?
turn around and walk with them. So.
No, hear me, no, hear me have to say. Everything happened in the past. More we just left in the past. I'm really, really sorry because what I do really, really mess up. So I take away a woman, I tell her a lie, say I have another woman on the side. But I just true, I never have the money at the time to give her back. I do something with the money. You understand? So I never have the money to give her back. So I come up with a plan there. So I take your woman, you just there go squash out and I don't know what I think. I'm just sorry for everything go bad, and right now she left me and gone. Maybe in a big problem with them on my face right now. You understand me? I say so. I just ask you to just forgive me. Just find space in your heart to forgive me as a virgin. You understand? Because we grew up together from a little I play backstroke and marble. You understand? We used to run up on the dung, on the road and hand upon the two our parents are so. And we grow so. You understand? So it really messed up for me because mess up the friendship we have from baby days to come way up there. So you understand me? I say so really want to find in your heart to forgive me. From basic school, come up high school, just remember, bro. Your friends, so this never did for me, so you know some mistake. I don't know what called in my mind, make me think certain way. You understand me? I say?
So, let me ask you a question. Because you look on your face and now you feel like you can't link me back.
No, maybe no come to you, come up as a contact here, but the fear me, I say, I don't know what you're going to do. I don't know if you're going to call me here, I don't know if you're going to in my face. So, me always
That's
think.
what I should have do for you. Here, what you talking? I fire chat all day. Fire really out. Fire make me know that sometimes in our life something just happen. You have to just learn, you see me? You have to pay for learning.
Yes.
If you can't my heart clean, I will forgive you. But there's no say, if we did that so, you can't go back so. I have to sit like this, or might be this, if you're lucky. You see me? And on my fault, you can't blame me. I go back and back, you make woman and pray me. And one bag of sitting. But because my heart clean, I give you back an next chance. You get what I say? Because I believe in a second chance too, man. Believe me.
You understand? I thank you for giving me a second chance. You understand? As a virgin, now we have grown up and younger days. You understand? We would do the same thing. You see me? So, we live and we learn, as I say. And know, right now, so I'm going to learn from mistake. I have to learn from a mistake. And we're going to make enough mistakes in our life. You understand? So, I'm glad you forgive me. You understand?
You see, every bad thing I do, how come I just come back and I can reach us? You don't have to do nothing. But you must know still, as I say, I give you the chance, so you have to rough it on yourself, you do it. But if not, do it yourself, just to see.
Alright, me see it in here. Alright. Now go down to
conversation for?
Boy, you know I said the youth there. Me and him grew up together. Matter of fact, you could have called say I'm my best friend. Not anymore, no, but you could have called it so at one time. For a long time too, but you know say a youth borrow money from me, I pay him back. You tell a lie for me, if you get me ex with it up here before you, and one bag of sitting, you do some stuff for me and him fall out, so I come back and I'm like him flat on your face and I say, yo, I beg for forgiveness and all of that.
Babes, that the person that sound like a one bad guy. You sure say somebody where you unfriend, you go friend them back? If I did my friend that and him do that to me, I cut him loose. Because if him do them something to you, why you not go come back and do it again? Why you so sure him not go do it again?
You know what I say, honestly, I'm not sure. But I believe in I give people a second chance. And look on Fire. I don't know if you know the history me and Fire have, but Fire are really one of my realest friends.
Oh, that's a Rasta guy I was talking about.
Yes. He go out and wait for the good for me. So me some of my time I good just have to circulate because you see how that boy they do wrong for me and come and catch him and now Fire the good for me. So just have to make it circulate.
Sometimes I don't really apologize, them I can't apologize, you know. Sometimes they just know say you're soft hearted and if they come with a good story, them will get back your friendship. So they can do back the same thing to you. Me I tell them.
That's true. But me get up, believe me. You know, get the next chance is that. But me even tell him to his face though. So yo, all if me and him did so, me and him can't get back so. And He dip on a rope now, so if he want him himself, I just feel twice.
You can't believe that. Well, you know if you start out that. Well, you're a big man, you know, me I go back in.
Alright, take care, yeah. My daughter saw go and listen to some cauliflower.
I'm here. The boyfriend. Best friend.
So you have come behind and for sir?
No, I'm just going to sit down because sun kind of hot right.
Sir, what?
Something in your face.
Sir, move from behind me and go sit down this so. You're bright.
Your boyfriend there?
No, in a day so you can go on now.
Alright, here. Let me tell you something about your boyfriend. There's a woman on the side. And now you're alone here and I'm keep there.
I think me
Me
idiot.
I'm the better man for you. Me I tell you honest truth. Me take care of you. Me
Look here.
all I hear me.
Look here. You feel like say,
No.
yeah, other girl will come over here, come touch up. You feel like say my man not tell me about you? You know where me come from? A girl to me come from in a boy. You know where me come here? Come here, boy. Come on, boy, you meet me. Go on down there, sir. Wait a minute, me bash you up, boy. You try to come back here. You don't want man, boy. Right. Show me a one man, boy, thing.
Good night, what one?
Yeah,
Your boyfriend there?
yeah. I'm going to come back.
Oh, you say you want back to earlier?
Oh, yes, the sleep and this one. Yeah, come.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Where's the meeting?
Alright. And there,
Yeah, I look so.
and you have this time going on.
Sorry about that, man. I just caught you get caught up on the wrist.
I don't know. You don't know me not cook.
Now I'll buy the fries also. We're talking fries, I get the show.
I'm going to sometime and tell you something.
Alright.
Hello. Good night. You know somebody right now. Yes, officer. You know man. You know somebody right now we have tea coke over in the yard. Never seen the address right now. Oakland Street, up a Barnet House. They give you radiator shop open the road right up in the area. Yeah. Alright.
You get the drugs there. Put up your hand.
No, officer, wrong boss.
Put up your hand. Hey, boy, come here. Come here. Where jumps the boy?
Which jokes?
You know, man, the fucking yeah, come here. Wait there.
Officer,
What's going on?
officer, wrong boss.
Look out.
Hey, what about you?
Oh!
Ayan,
Him.
No move.
Officer, my boyfriend is.
What about you?
Yo, come.
How are you?
Hold.
Where are you coming
How are you?
No, I mean, woman, yeah, very fun. I go up with that some car.
Who you always come there? What's up? What are you going?
Officer.
I'm here to talk.
Him have a job, officer.
No, drop
I'm
that.
not job.
Yeah.
Alright. Come, Mr. Coffin! Don't move, Don't move.
You know what I'm saying? This boy, I know, this boy have drugs from him.
Me not have no job, officer.
So where you
See there, me not have no job. See there, officer.
Do right.
Officer, me feel for home.
I don't beat you if you want to.
I'm a feel for home, officer.
Oh yeah, move fast. Oh, Jesus Christ!
See?
What?
Officer.
Right, hey, what you do?
Nah,
You coffin, finish coffin.
Oh, go on, that's all.
Come on.
No. You know, go on.
Rasta tell him say my boyfriend
Me know it's a friend there. It's not a good friend. But what do you want?
Me no. I know me.
So I'm on camera, right? And this a camera was set because when you read friend back, you try to set up someone all the while.
No.
In plan the job.
I know me.
This a one evidence for a flash drive. Is a camera and a flash drive now one.
I know me.
Carry and look for it. Carry with you.
I know me.
Take out the cup.
Handcuff that one now. And hold it.
I know me.
I feel it. I can't tell why I go. This everything the panel.
No man, we have a cup that one. I will run.
I know me, officer.
We shoot him. Where are you?
Kick him down.
I'm supposed to.
Where are you?
I'm supposed to put that, officer.
And I run like, you think you're burning at it?
Close it up, my man.
Beat him, cut up your man, beat him.
It is mom.
Beat him. Good. Alright, no. Go in.
Boy, let's get up. Must have a problem in here.
One thing more to say the boy. If you do a station, you take them and chop that throat there.
Wicked boy.
You might put up the other virgin and I'll come back with the other virgin. Come. Alright,
I want you about this.
Idiot boy. We have been telling about it now.
Tell me the truth. Boy, I'm so sorry.
Come on.
Sorry. Come on, try to sit down.
Fire!
So give thanks on the back again. Alright, oh you see the tool yeah man, big up MPSG. You know what I mean? Donation go well. You buy some screw, claw bar, chisel, just a square. I have a level already. I have a hammer and some different little stuff. So watch out. We're up on the building of JAMMIWOOD studio. You know what I mean? And that's how we are doing it one step at a time. You know what I mean? So we have the hatchet same speed, we have a little thing put together so the work is started now. Yeah. So that's right now. So follow up on the journey. Keep up to date. You know what I mean? See the number there. If you don't want to contribute, you can contribute towards JAMMIWOOD City. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, we are trying to build what we are doing at Jamaica still. You know what I mean? So this, to support is to be proud of Jamaica and where you want to see it. We can't really rely upon nobody else but ourselves, really. You know what I mean? So no need of a beg, no different nation. Me I call upon my nation. My people them give me a strength. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. We are going JAMMIWOOD Studios now, right? That's what we're dealing with, right? So the next video, you're gonna see what we are doing different. I'm gonna shoot movie while I'm building it. Just like I did on Richard Bro Films when I was building my mom house in JAMMIWOOD City. Yeah, you know how we do it. Let's go. Enough respect, thanks, subscribe. You know what I mean? Leave a comment. Big up on yourself. I won't know make it possible. You know what I mean? By watching and supporting, calling family member, watch it. You know what I mean? It'll grow. It'll work. Give thanks. You know what I mean? Can't complain. Life is great. You know what I mean? So we wake up and we see sun shine. You know what I mean? And we can see I'm not blind. Even if I'm blind, and we can hear. You know what I mean? Give thanks. You know what I mean? Give thanks to life, oh Jah. Burn it down to the ground all times. Let's go.